Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find the value of b so the function has valid limit at s equals to number 0. So now I want to show you how to answer. So if we want to get the limit at s approach to number 0 of g of s, so the value of the limit of this one on the left and on the right should be equals together. So on the left, that is about this one because s is smaller than number 0. And on the right, because s is greater than number 0, so we put number 0 cone here. So in this situation, we can simplify like this. And now we can put like this. So b plus 1 and multiply by b in here. Now this one we have b squared plus b. So we have b and b, we cancel. And we just have only b squared equals to number 0 and b equals to number 0 in here. So if we put number 0 go back in here, there's still the valid on the denominator because we have positive number 1. So that means when b equals to number 0, this one in here you got 0, this one you got 0. So everything in here, the limit you got that is equal to number 0 when s approach to number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.